Your armed forces is the armed forces of the people. We do not side with anyone. We serve everyone, no matter who you are. We were given very short notice. At exactly 5 o'clock yesterday, the first word was reached us, and hence a flurry of activities, coordinating the activity went on immediately after the initial notice came. So the honors that went on this morning included the following. There was arrival honors immediately after the remains of the late President arrived at Libingan ng Bayani. The remains were borne in a wooden coffin, brown in color, and it was put on a caisson drawn by a horse when it was brought to the interment area, followed by a march of all the mourners and those who were attending. Following the march to the interment area, the remains were carried to the entombment area that was reserved for the late president. So upon arrival there, the last rites were held, led by our chief chaplain, and appropriate final honors were rendered, which included 21 gun salute. As the remains were brought to the entombment area and before it was laid or lowered to the entombment place, the last taps and the volley of fire, while the last taps was heard, was provided. This is a salute, a final salute to any soldier who is laid to rest. General Glorioso Miranda handed over the flag to the widow, the former First Lady Imelda Marcos. The flag upon receipt was received by the family, and those who paid their last respects did their act of last respect before they closed the tomb. The attendees for the ceremonies, if I can recall right, numbered about 100 or slightly over 100.
Sa ginastos sa pagdilibing kay dating Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos?
Usually there's a level appropriate to the rank. So ito ay presidential burial. It was requested from the armed forces to be brought by a helicopter of the military because no commercial, I think there was no commercial airlift that could provide it. The expenses will be paid for by the Marcoses. Kaya nila kami nabigyan ng short notice kasi it was part of their request to do this in private and in confidentiality.